Design Manager's integration with Stripe Payment Processor now allows you to send project retainer requests and receive payment via credit card or ACH bank transfer online. The process is simple. On the Projects window, highlight the desired project and click on the Request Retainer button. Enter the amount you'd like to request from your client, then click OK. An email will populate with the email you've entered for your client, as well as a message informing your client that a retainer has been requested for their project. Add any additional recipients or messaging that you'd like, then select Send. You'll be notified the email sent successfully, as well as see the requested retainer and retainer request sent status columns update. Your client will receive a link to view the retainer. Here they can select their payment method, enter their payment information, and complete the payment. A transaction email is received after each payment is made online. Back in the software, the amount paid will now appear in the Requested Retainer status column. The requested retainer can be viewed and paid on your end at any time by selecting the amount in the Requested Retainer column.